The battery application center is a very unique capability. It differentiates us significantly from our competitors and supplier base. It takes the conversation very quickly from just focused on samples to more of a system-based co-engineering with our partners and customers.
What we've done is try to integrate full production intent equipment into our process. This
Okay.
allows us to make sure that our bead application and our material processes are optimal, which includes temperatures, speed, volumes, and types of controls.
Hey everyone, Joel Franke with Charged. I recently had a unique opportunity to go to Henkel's Battery Application Center in Madison Heights, Michigan. And during that visit, I got to see firsthand what makes the facility so unique. What's really cool about it is it brings together material expertise, real manufacturing equipment, and a hands-on collaboration with their customers in ways that help them move battery designs closer to production. And while all this goes on, they're also addressing critical challenges like repairability and recycling. Keep watching for a few minutes and you get a look at what's inside the facility and meet some of the people that I got to speak with. Hope you enjoy.
Hi, I'm Chloe Jindra. I am a senior application engineer at the Battery Application Center here in Madison Heights, and we're going to do a tour of the battery lab. So our battery lab was originally designed to support our OEMs with their full-scale EV battery housings for prototyping their manufacturing dispensing. So we have a variety of different dispense heads, all of which can support our 1K and 2K cartridge dispensing, as well as 1K and 2K bulk dispensing. These come with applications like allowing us to supply heating to our products. Having a variety of heads allows us to work with a variety of materials like polyurethanes and epoxies, as well as thermal and silicone products. We have an ABB robot, the 6-axis high-performance robot that allows us to pick up these dispense heads and program and dispense on different applications like battery housings, auto electronics, and thermal pieces. With the system, we also have a teach pendant that we utilize to program. With this, we are allowed to actually operate from inside the robotics cell and make quick changes on the fly while we have customers in. We also have our HMI. So here we have our overview of the robotics cell. This allows us to keep track of safety features. So that way, when we have customers visiting, we can control whether or not there are any dangers or issues. For example, if the robot is running in automatic mode, if it detects any motion, it will not allow the robot to operate. Meanwhile, if we're in teach, it will allow us to bypass some of these safety features. We also have the capability to call certain programs repeatedly, as well as continually dispense different programs. So we can call one program and then call an additional one without ever stepping foot inside our cell. We can also control whether or not we pick up the robot, whether or not we purge at certain speeds, all from this HMI. We also have our pump systems. Our pumps allow us to work with German-sized pails, which are Hobbics, as well as regular pails and drums. And these systems are also heated to help support the viscosity of different products. With these pumps, we are able to downpack, and this allows us to support our internal testing as well as customers with achieving certain quantities. With this, we also have our HMI tools that allow us to control the dispense head. These HMI tools allow us to control certain factors like our flow rates and our pre-pressures, as well as our bead size. So that way we make sure we get the perfect bead size for our customer every time.
I'm with Pankaj Arora, and Pankaj is going to talk through some things here about the application center. Hey Pankaj. Nice to meet you today.
Hey Joel, welcome to Henkel's Battery Application Center. My name is Pankaj Arora, and I'm responsible for automotive electronics and e-mobility business for North America at Henkel.
How does Henkel's Battery Application Center differentiate Henkel from competitors as a strategic innovation partner versus a material supplier?
So the Battery Application Center is a very unique capability. It differentiates us significantly from our competitors and supplier base because it not only allows us to work with our product development team to accelerate those work, but also allows us to work very closely with our customer base. It takes the conversation very quickly from just focused on samples to more of a system-based co-engineering with our partners and customers there. We bring in here in this our capabilities, we bring in here both the application capabilities, our technology expertise, our know-how, and also our advanced modeling and simulation expertise, and work closely with our customers, not just on the product, not just on the requirements, but also on the process, also to see how we can provide a holistic solution for our partners and our customers.
Okay.
And then we are also able to dial in because we are able to work with our customer base early in the phase, early in the design phase. We are able to dial those learnings back into our development cycles and produce a better product and become a better innovation partners for our customers and partners there.
So this battery application center, I mean, it's very customer first, right? So let's talk a little bit about how the battery application center accelerates customer development.
Yeah. So great question, Joel. Again, it surely helps us in accelerating our own product development, but also helps our customer base very much there. We are able to bring our customers here, work with them on their own components in real life manufacturing environment. And if you come some other days or some other weeks, you will see many of our customers are working with us very closely in moving those things forward. And in addition, we are able to couple in a lot of our modeling and simulation capabilities using developing digital twins to further optimize the designs, and also helps in reducing the multiple iterations of the work which they would have done earlier.
Okay.
This all helps in bringing a good solution for our customers and helps them in moving faster.
Okay. So you're learning a lot from the work you do with your customers. So tell us, how does the Battery Application Center enable Henkel to anticipate emerging battery technology trends?
We work very closely with our automotive OEMs, the tier one players, the battery manufacturers, and also the innovation partners in a very collaborative way here, which leads to a lot of new insights into the newer chemistry, newer designs on the evolving designs, and also on the automotive processes.
Okay.
All of this puts us in a very good position to dial those things back into our development processes and helps our partners and customer base there.
That's excellent. Thanks, Pankaj.
Thanks a lot,
Thanks.
Joel.
Now I'm here with Matt Bobak. Matt, pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can you tell everyone at home what you do here at the Application Center?
Yeah. So right now I'm managing our battery application center here to process and control a lot of our environments, mainly targeting at EV applications specific into the battery.
Okay, great. How does the Battery Application Center bridge the gap between lab scale material testing and real industrial battery pack production?
Yeah, so what we've done is try to integrate full production intent equipment into our process. This allows us to make sure that our bead application and our material processes are optimal, which includes temperatures, speed, volumes, and types of controls. And then by integrating the full production intent equipment, really helps us improve on material to application process quality and reliability.
How does the Battery Application Center advance deep bonding technologies to support battery repairability, recycling, and evolving sustainability requirements?
A lot of what we've been doing is we actually work collaboratively with our customers, right? And this is really to aim at targeting the production and use of these materials on a debond on-demand type of environment. This allows for more or less reliable material properties, as well as safe, consistent debonding of those materials when in use, whether this is through implant processing repairs, service, or end-of-life recycling. And what we focused in on is two main triggers. These are both either electrical or thermal debonding triggers to safely remove and debond the assembly.
So what are the most important considerations when ensuring a smooth transition from material design to material production?
Yeah, so intent, we really want to take, it's a process scalability control. So we want to take something that's in the lab environment and it's going to go through pilot lines, through production intent volume. We want to have that consistency throughout the process. From there, we want to make sure that we are process control and compatible. So what the material does into the actual process, we can then reproduce that in this lab to make sure that when it scales up to an actual full production, that the process parameters and controls are being met. And then quality, right? So at this point, we have quality controls, situations that we can do within the dispensing parameters or application parameters that are going to be controlled from a quality perspective. And ultimately, we're taking it from a lab environment to that full-scale production environment and high volumes. And we really want to make sure that that consistency and transition works smooth and seamless.
Thanks, Matt. Appreciate your time.
Pleasure meeting you.
All right.